Welcome to MochaEase, your all-in-one business operations platform. Let's set up your products and categories inside MochaEase. Step 1. Create categories. First, go to Business Settings and tap on Categories. Think of categories as digital shelves. They help organize your products. For example, you can create groups like coffee, pastries, electronics, or skincare. Next, let's add a product. In Business Settings, tap Add Product and enter the details. Product name, price, choose which category this product belongs to. In this case, cappuccino goes under coffee. You can also upload a product photo so staff and customers can recognize it instantly. Tap Save, and your product is now live. When you go back to your POS screen, you'll see cappuccino neatly placed under coffee. This also updates your reports, so sales data stays organized from the start. And that's it. Your store, cafe, or salon is now digitally stocked with products and categories. In the next video, we'll set up your team, so staff can log in and start serving customers with MochaEase.